Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. I am also by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher Muhammad Ali Academy. I request all of you to participate in my online class. I am going to discuss a very important topics for you, my dear participant. Yesterday, I have discussed on narration, what is called narration, how many kinds of narration. Now, I am going to discuss narration on assertive sentence. I hope you, my dear participant, join my class and try to understand a very important topics on assertive sentence, direct to indirect. Direct and indirect. Okay? No more talk now. Start our lesson. Let us go to whiteboard. My dear lovely viewer, I hope you are ready to your khata pen to write down what I am going to teach you. Okay? My dear participant, assertive sentence. You know, my dear participant, a sentence which expresses simple statement is called assertive sentence. My dear lovely viewer, you know, according to meaning of sentence, there are 5 kinds of sentence assertive to exclamatory. I am going to discuss on assertive sentence, direct to indirect narration. My dear lovely viewer, now look, if you follow this instruction, you can easily change any kinds of direct narration to indirect. Okay? Suppose, my dear participant, Karim said to me, I am taking online class. Direct narration I have given you an important sentence. How can we change this sentence in direct? My dear participant, I give you instruction on so that you can easily understand. My dear lovely viewer, now I am going to tell and change it. Okay? Now look, my dear participant, here Karim and said turn into told. Okay? Object me, conjunction that, my dear lovely viewer, and you know, my dear participant, if you see first person I will be changed with speaker Karim. Okay? My dear participant, I hope you have idea about tense. If you see present continuous tense, it will be changed into past continuous tense. Okay? Now he was, my dear, he was taking online class. Okay? My dear participant, try to understand. If you see subject, verb, reported verb plus object, comma, inverted comma, and reported speech. My dear lovely viewer, if you see present continuous tense at the time of changing indirect, it will be changed past continuous tense. And said turn into told or said to we can write. Okay? So we have understood Karim told me that he was taking online class. Okay? My dear participant, I hope you understand. I am going to give you another example so that you can understand. My dear lovely viewer, I am going to give you another example so that you can understand. My dear learner, Rani says to me, I am well. I am well. My dear participant, now look, says reported verb present tense. If you see reported verb present tense at the time of changing direct to indirect, no sense tense. Okay, only person will be changed. Okay, so now look, my dear participant, Rani tells me, conjunction, that I will be changed with Rani, so we can write she is well. My dear lovely dear, try to understand. If you say present indefinite tense, here no sense. What is the reason? My dear lovely dear, try to understand. If you see reported verb present tense or future tense at the time of direct to indirect, no change of tense. Only person will be changed. So I here change she with Rani. Am I clear? Okay, my dear lovely dear, you can understand it easily. Now I am going to tell you another example so that you can understand, my dear lovely viewer. I am going to give you another example. She will say to you. Okay, my dear, I want to cook rice. My dear lovely here, try to understand. Reported verb here, future tense. We know when you see reported verb present tense or future tense, in this case no sense. Only person will be changed. Okay. Now look, my dear participant. She will say to you, conjunction for comma and comma, first person, here I will be changed with speaker she. Okay, so we can write she wants to cook rice. My dear participant, I hope you understand. She will say to you, will say future indefinite tense reported verb. So no sense of tense there. Only person here. I change with she because she here is speaker. We know first person will be changed speaker or first person which person. Okay, that is why she wants present indefinite tense. So that here she wants to cook rice. Am I clear? Okay, my dear learner. Now I am going to give you another example for you so that you can understand it. If you like my class, please no miss to share and comments to your other friend. Okay, my dear participant. Now look, they said to us, we have done the sum. Okay, my dear participant, at the time of indirect said here past tense, so we know all things will be changed. Okay, they told us that, my dear participant, we here how can change? We here first person will be says they or speaker. So what we can write down? Okay, they. We can write down they. They have turned into have done the sum. My dear participant, you know when you see present perfect tense, we turn into past perfect tense. Have done. Am I clear? Okay, my dear participant. Now I am going to give you another example for you so that you can understand. My dear participant, she said to me, I have been making tea. Okay, my dear participant, she said to me, I have been making tea. Present perfect continuous. Okay, now look, my dear participant, she told me that I here, how can we say? I first person, so it will be same with speaker she. So we can write down she had been making tea. Okay, I hope you understand, my dear participant. You can easily sense assertive sentence if you follow this structure. I hope you will be able to send direct to indirect on assertive sentence. I am going to discuss another point so that you can understand it easily. Okay, my dear participants. I said to him, you saw a bird. Okay, my dear participant, you saw here first indefinite tense. How can we say? Try to understand, my dear learner. Now look, I told him. Conjunction that for comma, inverted comma, you know. My dear lovely here, you here second person, what will be said? How it will be said? Do you know? If you see second person sense with object, or we can say listener. Okay, so you have as subject he. He had seen a bird. Okay, so we can say if you see past using tense reported verb, it will be sense past perfect tense. Am I clear? Okay, my dear lovely viewers, I am going to discuss another point for you so that you can understand. My dear lovely viewer, my due respect, if you like my class, please share to others. Okay? Now, Rana said to me, comma inverted comma, I was playing football. My dear, learn it now. Rana told me, conjunction, that I will be changed with Rana. So here he had been playing football. My dear lovely viewer, I hope you can understand. If you follow this structure, you can easily understand. Here I give you structure in direct. What will be, my dear lovely viewer, you have understand. This lesson very clearly. I hope, my dear participants, if you do not understand any points, I request all of you to comments my inbox. Next class I will explain in details. Okay? Till then, goodbye to your good health. Next time I shall meet you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.